Okay, so this is my haul for Halloween 2013. This is also my first video. So I got skyrockets, half a brick left from last year. From last year also I have some screecheroos. Last year also I have some Tasmanian devils. This year I have a hot tamale, which is just 10 shot. I believe it's different colors. I'm pretty sure it is. A mean machine, which is just multicolored flaming balls. Hot shot, which is just multicolored flaming balls also. I got a brick of Crackle Jacks, which is the same as the Tasmanian devils. They just crackle instead. Then I have some 70 centimeters, which is pretty long. Brilliant sparklers. There's 8 of them, and I have 2 packs. I got a burning schoolhouse, outhouse, not a schoolhouse. Next, I have a tooting duck, which is for my little cousins. Then I have 2 TNT mini display shell with a red tail with yellow stars and crackles. Then I have a Hellfire, shoots 24 red and white stars. Then I have 2 25-shot missile battery. Then I have, this is the first year we've had these, I'm pretty sure. They said they were new, because I live in Canada, in Vancouver more specifically. White strobe with crackling stars and whistles. So those should be interesting. Then I have flying ghosts, which kind of just spin really fast and go up and down. The 6. Those were pretty cheap too. I think it was only like $1 for, well, it was 6 altogether and there's 6 of them. So it's $1. And then I have 3 packs of firecrackers. These are just like for my little cousins and me. I just like throw them around and you whip them in the air and they spin all over the place. Then I have a bigger pack, and I got a really good deal on these. They were only like $2 because this guy only had a couple left. And then I have a Thundershot pack, 2 Dragon packs, color green, blue, and crackles. Then I have shotgun shells, which is basically just shoots shit up in the sky. Then I have 12 Thunderbuster Roman candles. Then I have this pack, and this is just a fountain, and if you open the top there'll be a wick. Then I have a dancing butterfly, a green dancing butterfly, and this is a fountain that's with green stars. This is a white strobing fountain. This is a silver fountain with red and white glittering stars. There's 2 of those. And then there's dragon eggs, which are just like crackle everywhere. They're like crackling balls. And then there's these flower pots, which are basically these. I just tied 3 of them together, and they're just little tiny fountains. And then these I just made, and they're just a bunch of sparkler dust. And that's about everything. And everything here is from Mystical Fireworks, except for these 2 and my Roman candles. Those are also TNT. So that's my 2013 stash for Halloween. Thanks for watching, and there'll be another video up shortly.